As both edge and data center installations increase their throughputs to keep up with evolving applications, IT hardware must also evolve to prevent bottlenecks. Molex Mini Cool Edge MCIO connectors and cable assemblies are engineered to bring performance and flexibility to next-gen data infrastructure, providing an ideal solution for high-speed, high-density applications. Here are the top 5 reasons to choose the Molex MCIO connectors and cable assemblies for your next design. High-speed data transmission. Enterprise storage and high-performance computing applications require high data rates to reduce latency. Molex MCIO connectors and cable assemblies support data rates up to 64 gigabits per second, meeting current PCIe Gen 6 standards. The high-speed performance ensures that your connectors will not bottleneck your design. Choose from 16, 32, or 64 gigabits per second options to get the right performance for your design. Flexible configurations. As space becomes limited in edge devices and server racks, connector geography becomes an important engineering consideration. Molex MCIO connectors and cable assemblies are available in a wide variety of form factors with straight, right angle, and side exit options to provide convenient connecting and cabling in different spaces. Compatibility with different wire gauges provides more options for integrating with new and existing designs. Rugged construction. Improperly seated connectors can cause signal integrity issues and damage pins. MCIO connectors are designed for manufacturability and reliability with anti-slant, anti-reverse, and pull-tab features that ensure proper alignment and mating during assembly. The robust mechanical design maintains a secure connection and protects pins from damage. Compact size. Molex MCIO connectors and cable assemblies offer a slim form factor with a 0.6mm pitch to bring high performance to space-constrained server and edge devices. You can choose from different pinout options to get the exact number of lanes you need, enabling the connectors to scale with your application requirements. Broad application support. With support for both cable and edge card applications, MCIO connectors and cable assemblies provide a convenient solution for a variety of connection needs, from routers and switches to storage racks and computing servers. Simplify your designs with a PCIe standardized modular connector that fits a wide range of applications. To learn more, visit mouser.com/Molex. Thanks for watching.